What's going on, my virtual home? How's it going? So, guys, I know you cannot help but notice my bunny ears. They're from a lingerie set that I've done a video on. Check it out. But and the bow tie. I just thought it would be cute because Easter's around the corner, and that's just a whole nother thing. But today we are doing a product unboxing and a first look, and you guessed it, it is an Amazon product review and unboxing, guys. So actually in this box we have two products, so we're going to put the link to both products below. um but yeah, guys, we have another shipment. So today we're gonna go ahead and open this and pull out our first product. All right, so we actually have an precision tool set, 139 pieces in one. This is going to be like your electronic repair tool set. So I mean, there's a lot of stuff in here, guys. I'll just do this, okay? So make sure you guys can see it. So there you go. And this is everything that's included, and I'll go ahead and run this up and then back down, and just in case you guys want to make some snapshots or just kind of take note of what's in the box, because that's 139 pieces and we don't want to go through every different piece, but we definitely want to take a first look at the set, and go from there. So one of the first things I'm noticing is a little pouch. We're not gonna name all the tools. We're just gonna really take a good look. So you have these. Yeah, and it has the little clamps right there, and the wristlet. All right. You have a handy dandy blade. I love the handy dandy blade, my friend. So yeah, it is a push-up blade, so you can just push the blade up and push it back down as needed. I'm pretty sure it is pretty durable. All right, everything is in another language right there. So you have your blade. You have your cloth, your microfiber cloth. Okay, it has a little branding on there as well. All right, another quick look at the rest of the stuff in this. So we have this piece and these pieces. Then this piece. It's 139 pieces, guys. So I'm trying to do like a comprehensive look. We have this piece. Okay. We have this piece, which is like this. And then you kind of close that up like that. And then we have this piece. All right, so we're gonna put all of this back into our pouch. The pouch is pretty high quality. Love the pouch, guys. Now I did a review over this set a few years ago, but this is the updated version, guys. So there, you're gonna have it. You're gonna have the updated version. Make sure that you guys are getting the very best. We are very particular about certain brands. Like once we find a brand that's very good, we use it over again. So this is the brand that we used a few years ago. So if you guys bought that set a few years ago, here is the updated set in case you have lost some pieces, or you just kind of want a fresh set. Again, you guys can find this on our using our Amazon link, you guys could, every time you use our link, guys, we get a small commission, okay? Which definitely helps us bring more quality content for you guys. But this is our precision tools. And then there's another row, so you guys can kind of see all the little heads. This is another set of different heads and head types. Okay, these tidbits are really high quality, guys. Like, they're very durable, very high quality. Okay, now here you have a few other things. Little suction cup. You have this. And this is just me going through each pocket. So starting with that one. And then you know, this. Now this should really be everything that you need in order to like fix electronics or any type of thing that requires precision tools. Most of the time it is electronics that require these precision tools. Those. Brush. This is a holder for the precision tool. And it is like it rotates, so it kind of gives you like some strength, some added strength, because it rotates, so you don't have to use like the whole pressure from your hand or your wrist or your arm. And then this is also a holder of the precision tool, which is ergonomic as well. And then last but not least, these guys. So yeah, guys, there you have it. This is the precision toolkit. Let me see. Is that Kaisi? The Kaisi precision toolkit. Yeah. So yeah, we have to make some repairs to our computer. And that's what prompted me to get the toolkit. But not only that, I'm a little techie. Like, I can fix like computer screens and maybe other things as well. So I was thinking about trying my hand at fixing my phone screen, which is currently cracked. So here we are. We're gonna put this inside of here. So all we have is 2 packets, and it carries everything in our set. That being said, y'all make sure y'all order this set. Now, I'm going to do a video of this other product separately, but since it's in the package anyway, we can take a look at it. And these are computer repair screws, okay? And we can just take a look at those like this here. Like, there are all different type of screws in here. Again, like I said, I need to do some work on my computer. But yeah, you get all types of computer screws. Okay, there's some washers in there. All type of stuff, guys. So I will put the link to this as well. It's a separate product. So you have the electronic repair kit and then computer machine screws. So with that being said, guys, hey, y'all order the products. It's always good to have an electronic repair kit around. You'll be surprised some of the things that you can fix yourself, like DIY, seriously. With that being said, guys, also it's good to have these screws, especially if you have a computer. Sometimes the screws come out. That's one of the things that I need to do on my computer, just like some of the screws just came out. Simple as that. So we're going to use the tools to tighten it up and the screw to put it in there. Bam, voila, fixed. But guys, with that being said, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give us a like on the video. That let us know that you like content like this and you may want to see more of it. Um, Guys, if you want to be a part of our family, you can consider subscribing to the channel, okay? Yeah, and if you subscribe, you can choose to let us know in the comments so that we can, love all over you. And guys, if you want to be the very first to get content, as soon as we drop new content, there is a bell notification above, okay? And if you click on the bell, then every time we drop a new video, you're going to be one of the very first to know, okay? So with that being said, guys, I'm going to see you on the next video.